Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today's video is going to be a Decorate With Me. This is number 3 in my Falling into Fall series 2021. And today I'm going to be decorating my buffet in the dining room. I'm adding all fall touches, and I hope that you will come along. And I hope that you will be inspired, and I also hope that you will just enjoy it. So get you something nice to drink, cup of coffee, cup of tea, glass of sweet tea. I'm from the South right now. And enjoy. Come on in and let's decorate for fall. First things first, gang, we're going to take down all of the spring and summer decor. I loved it, the bright colors of yellow and all of that. But now it's time to go into something a bit more subdued and more saturated colors, I guess I should say. So let's take this all down and put the fall touches up.
Then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. I won't bite. No. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there.
So friends, I think I'm adding just enough color. I think I said in one of my videos, I wanted to leave the dining room kind of clean and neutral, but of course it's fall. You have to add some color, or I do. So I think that I'm adding just enough to bring fall in. And yet some of the pieces I'm just cleaning up and putting back because this is just where they live. Like my angel, my lighted angel under the dome, that's just her home and she will probably always be there. But I decorate around those pieces, like the platter as well, the large platter. It would be hard to find some place to store that, so I'm kind of stuck with staying there, and I love it there. So it's a nice backdrop for whatever I place in front of it. And now I'm going to go ahead and light my diffuser. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. It has been so much fun. Fall is in the air, and now it's coming through in my home as well. If you're new here, I want you to know that this is a lifestyle channel, and we do everything from decorating, as we're doing today, a little seasonal decorating, shopping hauls, regular home decorate with me, a lot of organization and cleaning as well. And if anything that has to do with lifestyle, and we try to do it on a budget. That's what we try to do. We shop our home a lot around here as well. So if this sounds like something that you would enjoy, why don't you go ahead right now while it's on your mind and hit that subscribe button below. Once you do, hit the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. We would love to have you become a member of the Cozy Lifestyle family over here. And I think that you'll find something here that you will enjoy and that will inspire you, and some days just give you something to relax and watch. So join us. We'd love to have you. For my ride or dies, you that come back every video, you that support me, you know how I feel about you. I love you. I love you. I love you. And for those of you who are new subscribers, I want you to know that I see you. I see you. And I am so grateful that you've decided to make a cozy lifestyle with Clearissa Coward a part of your life. And I love that you bring me into your home. So let's get back to the video and finish it up. I hope you guys are enjoying this. It's so much fun, and I think it came out very nice. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Should I add something? Should I take something away? I would love to hear from you guys. I think I've added just enough of the saturated colors. I've got the golds, the greens, and I've stuck with my white as well. And full disclosure, I did not wash all of those dishes there. I washed the top 4, but they aren't used. It's twofold. They're white, and so they're decor, but it's also storage for me as well. We live in a cozy space, and so I have to use my space wisely, and I try to do that. But at any rate, I hope you are enjoying the video. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should add, take away, or if you just like the way that it is. I love hearing from you guys.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me.
So friends, we are coming to the close of this video. As I said before, this is number 3 in my Falling for Fall series. I'll leave the link to the playlist below so that you can see the other 2, and I will be adding to it as I continue to pull my house together for fall. I hope you have enjoyed it. I am going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. I want you to be well, I want you to be happy, and I want you to be safe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise.